Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect iCUE to Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to actually do is just launch up Wallpaper Engine, and then I want you to come here, the top right, and I want you to click on Settings. Once you click on Settings right here, this pop-up comes up, and from here, what I need you to do, here in the top navigation bar, I want you to click on Plugins. Now here under Plugins, you'll actually see this one, iCUE and Chroma SDK. I want you to make sure this one is toggled on, and I want you to go ahead and click on this gear cog and just make sure this one right here is enabled. And if it is enabled, just go ahead and click on OK, then click on OK again. And what you can do is just launch it up again, just close this and restart Wallpaper Engine if it will not link, and then it will actually work. But that is how to connect iCUE to Wallpaper Engine. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.